What is a profit that you continuously see that starts to, by the end of the week, kind of whittle away or completely disappear? So on Sunday, the market is opening. We're starting to see new trends forming. It's low liquidity, meaning there's not a lot of money being flushed through the markets quite yet. The big institutions and banks in the market are kind of assessing what happened through the weekend before they're getting in and making their decisions in the market. Typically, that's where our 21 EMA entries are starting to make themselves known. Tuesday and Wednesday, there's a lot of money coming in and out of the market. Institutional money starts to come in. They get really heavy on their positions because they're confident in what the trend is going to do that week. Typically, if you're in a trade on Tuesday and Wednesday is when you're going to see the most movement. We used to call it Take Profit Tuesday, because the money coming in was just so much. It was like we have this really, really big movement on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. On Thursdays, that's when the market starts to have its pullbacks. So the market is trending in your direction on Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday, the banks and hedge funds are starting to close their weekly positions. Believe it or not, they don't always all just hold their trades for months and months and months. Yes, they're investors, but they're also traders, right? And so a lot of them are starting to close out their positions. Liquidity starts to die down. And if you go and look at your charts, you'll notice a lot of the time it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday you start to see a pullback. And then on Friday, a lot of the major banks and institutions will completely close out of the weekend to avoid weekend gaps, which some of you guys have experienced as well. And then any major news events that might happen over the weekend, they're closing out on Friday.